Welcome everyone, my name is Dionysus and today I will be giving you a tutorial on C#. This will be my first tutorial on this channel, and this channel will be mainly based on programming and hardware skills. We'll do some other stuff, but that's not for now yet. So first of all, this episode we're going to be covering three main things. First of all, we're going to write lines into the console application. Second of all, we're going to be reading the input that the user puts in the console application and we will store that input in a variable to use it later on in our program. You also learn how to use that variable in the program. Also, we're going to use a algorithm to pause our console application so that it will only quit when the user presses some key. Doesn't really care which key. I'm going to show you how. First of all, we're going to be starting a new project. While I'm going to do this, I'm going to show you how to what C# actually is. I'm going to call it Console 1. So C# is a programming language mainly used for Windows forms and console applications. I will be covering both of these, but I won't be going in depth into the other ones. You can also do other stuff with it, and yeah, I'm not really into that yet. When you start a project in C# console application, you will start with this code. The start of this code is importing several add-ons that you're going to sort of pre-programmed plugins into your system. That you have easier algorithms so that you don't have to explain everything. Then we have our package. We will be programming in packages, of course. In C# they are called namespaces. Then we have the classes. You should know what it is if you're starting at C#. Then we have static void. I'm not going to explain all of that, but I'm going to be going right into the programming. First of all, we're going to be writing Console.WriteLine, and we're going to be asking to put in the name. Always end your line like this. We're going to be reading that. We're going to be making a variable first. I'm going to be calling it strName, as it's a string, because it's a word you're going to get. There are no numbers in names so far as I know. And we're going to equalize that to Console.ReadLine. Close the line again. So first of all, we're going to write this line. They will put in their input. We will read the input and store it into the variable strName. After that, we will be going. Oh, that was wrong. We're going to be using that into one of our sentences. So we're going to write another line. We're going to put the name in there and some other thing that I'm going to show you now. To put in a variable, you're going to use these and just keep on counting. I'm going to show you what it does later on. Hi. Then we're going to put in the name. I'm going to tell them the current time. So we're going to use a time algorithm too. And then we're going to be using another time variable, like that. And after the sentence, you're going to be explaining what the variables are. So the 0 will be strName. And the 1 will be System.DateTime.Now.TimeOfDay. So it will be looking for the day and actually putting it inside the sentence. Okay, put a dot right there just for OCD business. After that, we're going to be going to let it stay on the screen until someone actually presses a key. So we're going to put Console.WriteLine, and we're going to write to quit the program, press any key. Enter sentence again, and then we're going to let it quit the program if someone presses it. To do that, we will use the Console.ReadKey algorithm, like that. So it will first of all write out, please enter your name. We will store it into strName. Hi, blah 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 will show up on the screen using these variables and that kind of algorithm. Then will show up WriteLine. To quit the program, press any key, then we'll read that key. If someone presses the key, it will actually close. Voila, that's it. Now, to take a look if it actually works, we will take a look on the start button right here. Don't really change anything yet on debug and release, but because it's not that important. So let's start the program. Let's hope it doesn't error. I know it won't error, so I'm happy. So now the program is on. Please enter your name. Dionysus. Hi Dionysus. The current time is 18:03:44. To quit the program, press any key. Voila, it works perfectly. I will be putting the code in the description, not for copy reasons, but for learning reasons, because some people like to watch the video, some people like to see the code and try to do it themselves after it. And then yeah, you can look if you got the same in the description. So this is the first of the ending of the first episode. I hope you actually liked this. If you did, please leave a like. You can also subscribe to follow me in the future, and give me some feedback in the comments, please, that I can optimize my videos for you guys. At the moment, I don't have a decent microphone. I do have one, but it's plugged in in another house, so can't really use it at the moment. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, lads.